Hi, I'm Marna, and another cloudy day here at Dolls Rescued. So we're not all the way to the pond. We are joining in with Tina's Reborns and More for her pool party. My girl is headed down to the lake to meet her bestie, Wilhelmina. Notice that she doesn't have any food. That's because Wilhelmina has enough food that Tina has made. You should see her DIYs for about 18 smart dolls. Let's take a look at how she looks in the front. This is me, myself, and I. I just got her. I wish the sun was shining. She has the most beautiful face, and I love the wig. I love this doll. I just got her. Anyway, she's got her floaty and her sunglasses all to match her little flamingo swimsuit, and she is off to the pool party. Thank you, Tina. What a cute idea. Please go see everyone's videos today that are joining in on the pool party. Let me know in the comments if you are joining in so I can see your video too. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescued channel. Please leave a like. Look what's coming. A like, a comment, and subscribe. That's like a panther to her.